Hi, Martins here. In this video, we'll see how Unicode fonts works in IDpack in the cloud. By default, it's set to no. Here's an example. So this card, we have a Chinese name. If I click print preview, we cannot see the name, it's just square. But if I turn the Unicode font to yes, click Save Project. So I go back to IDpack Producer, reload this page to see the print preview again. And now we can clearly see the Chinese name perfectly on the card. So this is how Unicode font works with IDpack in the cloud. Why it's not always yes? Because the only typeface supported by this Unicode font is Arial. So we wanted to give other type of fonts in our design, but if you really need to print cards for Arabic, Hebrew, Chinese, Latin cards, or any Greek, you have to use the Unicode font, and this way all your cards will look perfectly when you print them. There you go. So this is how Unicode fonts work in IDpack in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.